Welcome to Canadian Quadders Review. I'm Mark, and today we're hanging out at a brand new dealership for us, Vernon Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada. You need to come check these guys out. They're under new ownership and new management, and they're amazing to deal with. They're trying to do things right and treat their customers well, and I think they're doing a fantastic job. So today, we're checking out a Wolverine. Stay tuned. So, due to limited room, I'm going to have to do this freehand today, so please excuse the bouncing around. This is a really cool looking machine. This guy is liquid cooled, dual overhead cam, parallel twin engine that's fuel injected, 847 cc, a compression ratio of 10.5 to 1, TCI ignition, and it's mated up with the typical Yamaha Ultramatic V-belt CVT transmission with on-command two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive limited slip, and four-wheel drive diff lock. It is shaft-driven as well. And this is the front storage: battery, air filter, some tools. Your fuses are all under the same hood. And here, you can, from slow or high speed, depending on who's driving the vehicle, you can actually govern it that way. And your rad is in here as well. It's got disc brakes all around, dual hydraulic calipers with 207mm discs all around. Comes with Maxxis AT tires, 26 by 8 by 12 in the front and 26 by 10 by 12 in the rear. I'm glad Yamaha got into the game and started putting 2-inch receivers on their machines. I find that extremely handy, especially if you own a bit of property or want to tow a trailer or something. It's so cool to have that. I wish my 2012 Grizzly did. The wheelbase is 2126 millimeters or 83.7 inches. The turning radius is 4800 millimeters or 189 inches. The maximum ground clearance is 287 millimeters or 11.3 inches. Fuel capacity is 35 liters or 7.7 imperial gallons. The weight is 789 kilograms or 1,739 pounds. The bed capacity is 272 kilograms or 600 pounds. Towing capacity is 907 kilograms or 2,000 pounds. You're going to have a pretty plush ride with this machine. It has independent double wishbone suspension with anti-sway bar, both front and rear. The front will have 221 millimeters or 8.7 inches of wheel travel, and the rear will have 236 millimeters or 9.3 inches of travel. The Power Steering Edition, which is what this one is, will come with the Yamaha blue color and steel wheels. Your special edition models are going to come in a titanium bronze and tactical black. They actually look really sweet. You can also get it with the Realtree Edge camouflage and Alpine white. This is for the X2 EPS R-spec version. It's a little bit fancier of a version. I'll show you a picture of one before the video ends. It's a neat little machine. And I love the fact that it's actually got plenty of space in the rear for your occupants. Full-grown adult could sit back there just fine. And you still have a little bit of room in the back when the seats are all the way back. But the other bonus is these seats will actually unbolt out of here as well. So you can have your full box if you need it. And it's got a typical tailgate as well. It's a really cool looking machine. You'll be able to accessorize this virtually any way you want. I'm sure there are plows that will go on this. You can put a roof, put a windshield, possibly even a heater inside. Some aluminum skid plates if you wanted, depending on how serious you are off-road. But I'm sure it's a capable vehicle just as it stands. It'll just improve it from here on in with adding things onto it. So for private use, it'll come with a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. And for commercial use, it comes with a 6-month unlimited mileage warranty. So come by to Vernon Motorsports and say hi to the guys out here and let them know that Canadian Quaders Review sent you. They'll take excellent care of you. They're under new management and actually under new ownership as well. And I love how they're dealing with their customers. They're treating them with respect. They're trying to do what's right with this business, and they're getting excellent feedback, and their numbers are higher than ever. Come and see these guys. You won't be disappointed. Once again, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to check out my videos and my channel. Thank you for hitting the like and subscribe buttons as well as the bell. I'm so excited to have taken on another dealership here and talking about a product that I'm a huge fan of. My 2012 Yamaha Grizzly 700 is an amazing machine and I just love it. So I'm sure this product here would be just the same. I'm now on Flickr, and I've also started my own podcast called Canadian Quaders Review. It's on Spotify and I'm working on spreading it out in other places as well. So come check that out. We'll see you guys next week, and thanks again for watching.